In this tutorial I will show how to unarchive post on Instagram. First open the Instagram app. Then go to your profile page. Then tap on the 3 line at top right. Select Archive. At the top change to Post Archive. Here are all the posts that you have already archived. If you want to unarchive these posts, so you have to simply tap on the specific post. Then tap on the 3 line at top right. Now here select Show on a Profile, so this is the option which allows you to unarchive the post. Now the post will be moved to your Instagram profile. So that is how you can unarchive post on Instagram.